Welcome back to the D phase. In today's lesson we'll talk about the weekly power of 3. So in the previous lesson we talked about the monthly power of 3, how the price was delivered within that 1 month. So now we'll talk how the price will be delivered within 1 week. So on the right side you got a sketch how that weekly candle would look like or looks like. And before we start, I start to explain you what happened on the market that week. I told you that we are separating some cycle, which is, I don't know, daily cycle, monthly cycle, yearly cycle, on 4 parts, but it's different for the weekly cycle because we got 5 days within 1 week. So we won't stretch the Fibonacci time zone from the open of the week to the close. We'll just mark every market open of that day, so which is on Monday, Thursday. So the Monday's open, after that the Tuesday's opened, Wednesday's open, then Thursday's opened, and we'll close it with the Friday's open. Friday is a specific story, it has its own story, so we do not include this into the quarterly theory. So this is a specific story and it has its own story. We'll talk about that in the upcoming lessons. So the first 4 days of the week are including the quarterly theory, so remember that. After the Monday's markets opens, we got the market open on Monday. After that the price was in some sort of range. Specifically, if we take a further look, we'll see that we got just the continuation of the previous cycle, so that represents the X. After that we got the accumulation phase. There is not much to talk about that, the price was just in some range. After that we got on the on the Wednesday open, we got the manipulation phase. So that part represents the Judah swing or slingshot effect of that week, because it happened above. If we want to sell some price, we want to sell it above the weekly or open of that market. We want it to buy below the open of the market. So we got the manipulation here. After breaking this high here, the real Judah swing is when we are pushing the retail traders into the wrong directions, which is in this situation bullish, and stops at some zone of interest. If we take a better look, we'll see that we're right now on 1 hour time frame. If we go further on 4 hour time frame, we'll see that we stopped at this FVG on left side. So you should know that market loves small holes on the market, on the charts anyway, and it will be like magnet for them, so for the price. So we are touching the FVG on the left side here. After that, first time touching it, second time pushing the retail traders into buy positions. After that we got the reverse in the price, forming a bearish order block here and this imbalance. So we'll expect on Thursday to got the distribution. So we got the open. After that we got this fake move, so the Judah swing of that day, stopping at this imbalance on the left side and this bearish order block. Price trades it, leaves the body below 50% of that bearish order block. So this is UFED. The price wants just to continues to go bearish. After that we are selling here. The price just wants to go bearish and continues to go by UFED, but at this situation the price very badly just wanted to continue to go bearish, and it hadn't time to make some retracement, so it wants to collect these lows here, this low here. So these are the equal lows, so this is also a magnet for the price. So as we already talked about this, so this is the honey that wants to be collected, so it was collected on Thursday. Friday is a different story, so that's pretty much all of it. I hope you understood how the price was delivered within that 1 week, how I separate the weekly cycle, and what the real Judah swing is. So have a nice time and see you soon.